would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you're happy, healthy, and doing okay. Today's video is going to be all the cleaning motivation that you need because my house is a mess. It is ridiculous and we are going to be cleaning it all up today. To be honest, this weekend was not the weekend. The house has been let go. It's a mess. Like, as you can see, there are tons of clothes here. There are tons of clothes out there on the line drying. You guys, like, look at my kitchen. It is a disaster. Like, all of this stuff needs to be cleaned up. My bed needs to be spread, and I have a very huge spot, white spot around my mouth because I just took a shower and I did not lotion my face just yet. But today's video, we're doing all the cleaning, so get ready. If you have somewhere in your house that you need to get clean, you guys get up and let us do it together. And of course, if you are seeing me for the very first time, hello, my name is Natay, call me Nats, and I do hope that you like what you see here and then you will stick around. And today's outfit of the day, you guys, is nothing too fussy, just in my house. I'm in this t-shirt that I bought from Etsy a little bit after I got married in 2019. It just says Mrs. Webb, and you can of course customize the shirt however you want to, so I'll have the link to the Etsy shop in my description down below. Regular jean skirt, and my house slippers is from Shein, and of course headband wig from AliExpress. But I'm going to have quick breakfast and then we will get into cleaning this place up. For breakfast, I am just having some instant ramen noodles, and you guys just look at the pile of clothing in this couch. Oh my god.
Every change has a reason.
Okay, you guys, so to kick off today's clean with me video, we are going to be starting in the kitchen because the kitchen is my favorite spot to start cleaning whenever I'm cleaning my house, because I just feel like once I have the kitchen together, then the whole house will come together quite nicely. But when I'm cleaning around the dirty kitchen, especially because the kitchen is a part of the center of the house, it gets pretty distracting and I feel like I'm getting nothing done. So I like to start in the kitchen. So that is what we're going to be doing right now. I'm just putting up the dishes that were already cleaned and drying, and then I'm going to move into washing the dishes, cleaning up the kitchen, cleaning up the house, folding some laundry, and then we're going to make the bed, and then we'll talk about a bunch of stuff. We got a lot of hauls coming up, so stay tuned. Also, I really did try my best to put some music in this video that you guys can jam to, especially if you are working with me. So if you have piles of laundry to fold, a kitchen to clean, dishes to wash, please let this be your sign to get up and start cleaning with me now. Enjoy the music, enjoy the ride. I hope you enjoy.
To believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave.
guys, the kitchen is finally done. So we have the plates over there just air drying because God knows I have so many things to do. I cannot dry those right now. Clean up the island, clean up the table, sweep the floor a little bit, and yeah, the kitchen is clean. Next up is actually to get all of this stuff out of here, folded and put into drawers. I don't know why. You guys, it is like this. I like doing laundry. I like putting dirty clothes into the washer and have them wash, and I like hanging them out on the line, but I hate folding, and so I continuously do laundry, wash clothes, and then when they're dry I just put them here because I do not want to fold them, and then it just becomes a pile. But we're going to deal with this now.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.
Another thing about being a human that I hate, you guys, is that you guys saw me took so long to clean the kitchen up, and then look at this. More dirty plate because Adam ate, and if we eat we gotta use dishes, and then we gotta wash them and then put them up and then put stuff in there again and then re-wash them. And I'm like, for all of you watching this who have access to a dishwasher, you need to say a prayer of thanks tonight, because for those of us who have to use our hands, it is like too much. It's too much. Like Adam and I are seriously like just considering buying disposable plates and and stuff to deal with dishes, because it's just too much.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down.
Alright, you guys, so we're back vlog styling, and I think I have finished with everything that I needed to do to clean up the house today. I have the laundry going right now, and I did all the things, and now I actually have a few stuff to do on my Instagram stories. I have an Amazon package right here on the floor I want to unbox with you guys real quick, and then I have to get on Instagram stories and do a couple of videos to show some new phone cases I brought, and maybe I'll just also tell you guys here about the phone cases that I brought, so you're going to see like a little behind the scenes of how I do my Instagram stories, and then I'll show you guys the phone cases that I also see. So if you're obviously you're going to be seeing this after that, so it might be repetitive to you, but it could be cool to see just how I set myself up to record Instagram stories, and then we'll get into some unboxing. Alright, so change of plans, you guys. My phone camera is not working for some strange reason, so I am restarting my phone before I do Instagram stories. So I'm just going to unbox this package that I got in from Amazon US with you guys. Very excited about it, actually, if I can get into it. Alright, so in the box, you guys, I have three very exciting things, actually. First things first is something skincare related, and you guys know that when it comes on, you guys know that when it comes on to skincare, I am extra, and I like to buy all of the things because clean face, honey. Yes, honey. So I bought this vitamin C serum thing. There's Natay Webb in the background there.
Just in case you didn't see me.
Just in case they didn't see you, I'm just letting them know that you're right here. Say hi to the video.
I refuse to do that.
You refuse to say hi to the people? Hi. My God. Somebody's, what do you call that?
I don't know.
Have the panties in the bag today. Anyway,
Not an expression.
I bought this vitamin C serum. Let me move my face out of the way so you can see it. It's the True Skin Vitamin C, E, and Hyaluronic Acid facial serum. Now, if you don't know, vitamin C is very good for your face. It gives you that brightness, and it helps to even out your skin tone. So if a part of your face have different colors, like some areas of my face, you guys, I mean, I have pretty good skin, but some part of my face, you know, like you can see like dark spots, especially like under my eyes and like forehead and stuff. It just helps to like even out your skin tone a bit. So I bought this to try in my skincare routine. I am not sure if I can wear this in the sun. No, retinol is the one that you cannot wear in the sun because the sun breaks it down and you don't want that going on your skin. But vitamin C is very good. And also I bought these two body butters from a brand called Petal Fresh, and I have super dry skin, you guys. So dry that my skin will strip away, and especially in the winter it gets worse. And so my friend recommended these lotions to me, these body butters to me. She said it helped with her skin, so I should try it. And they have a wide range of what do I call it? I don't want to say flavor, but scents. And the first one, and also they have different categories of stuff that the body butters do. So like for example, this one, it says clarifying. It says clarifying. The camera is trying to focus on me. It says clarifying, and it says it purifies and tones for even skin, and the scent is mandarin and mango. So let us smell this thing. Oh wow, oh wow, I definitely smell mango in it. This is nice. And as I said, it's for clarifying your skin. So with clarifying your skin, it purifies it and it tones it down for even skin. And then this one is perfecting. So I guess it's going to help you to perfect your body. And it says it restores and maintains healthy skin. So that is what we are going to be doing. As a matter of fact, I am not sure that clarifying is the actual one that I ordered. I think I ordered one that says restoring. It was in coconut, right? I don't know. You see, I know I am not crazy. I did not buy the clarifying one because while I was smelling, I'm saying mango. I didn't buy any mango thing. I actually bought, and here is my order right here on my phone. I bought the restoring because, as I said, my skin is bad. My skin is dry, and so I want to restore because I feel pine and needles in my skin because it is so dry. This is the one I bought, you guys. This is the one I bought. Restoring, so it's supposed to heal, repair, and protect the skin, and the flavor or the scent should be honey and coconut. So this one I did not buy, so I'm going to reach out back to the seller and try to see if they can send me the right thing, because honey, if I'm spending money, I should be getting exactly what I am paying for, you know what I mean? But nonetheless, it smells good, and yeah, I like it. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do because I cannot deal with returns, you guys. Like, to return this to the US is gonna be such a task that I don't want to endure. But yeah, that is what I got on Amazon, you guys. And I just wanted to tell you, I do not do on hair reviews and all that stuff, but I have gotten questions about the wigs that I wear, and all of the wigs that I wear, you guys, I purchased on AliExpress. And recently I got this one, the headband wig, which I will link down below for you, so check the description out for anything that you hear me mention in my videos that you would like to buy. I always link them down in the description. And another hair that I bought recently is this curly lace wig from Icy here. There's a lot of rage about Icy, and they're like so big that they have like Instagram handles and so on. And this is just a regular curly wig that I bought the other day from Icy here, because the wigs that I have been wearing, you guys, the wigs that you have seen me in all of my videos, I've had those for, I've been wearing that all year long, last year basically. So I just decided that, you know what, it is absolutely time to change up my style. So I got this headband wig that I'm currently wearing, and then the Icy here, which I just broke the thing, so I'm going to have to cut it to get into it. This is what the hair looks like, and I love curly hair, but I feel like curly hair takes so much maintenance, to be honest. And yeah, this is the hair. The curl is like fine. I don't even know how to do like hair reviews and whatever. I just buy something that I like on the internet, and then I can show it to you guys, and if you're interested you can buy. So this is the hair. I'll of course link it down in the description box. They also sent some lashes with the hair, and they also sent wig caps with the hair, and they send stuff like how you can find them on Instagram and so on. So yeah, I paid like $138 for this wig. Like, wigs are expensive, you guys, so if you're going to invest in a wig, might as well invest in a good one that you'll be happy with at the end of the day. So let me try to get back to IG stories now. It's on to the weekend, but I am so happy to be sharing some stuff with you guys. Phone cases, you guys. When I was picking out for the seasons, because usually I want to change I'm that type of person who likes to change my phone cases based on seasons and all that stuff. Alright, you guys, and as I was talking to the vlog, I am wrapping up this video, I promise. I was just showing them these phone cases that I got, two online from a company called Burger company. They sell phone cases and like earpod cases and like laptop cases and so on. And in Christmas, when I was searching for just phone cases, they had a promotion. I saw some ads and they had a promotion of buy two get two free, so that's why I have 4 cases here. But I just think that they're really cute, you guys. Like, look at them. Let me see if I can make this lighting a little better by putting you right over here. Definitely better. So yeah, I was showing these on stories, you guys, and look how cute they are. Like, it is glossy and it is nice. You can also get it customized, so I just have like my initials right here. And the other ones that I got were was this I want to say a marbly kind of thing. The thing is focusing on my face. Marbly kind of thing here, as you can see. Very cute. And I got this one for Christmas time. Also very cute. And I got this white one that can be worn all year round. And I was just saying on my stories that before I actually put these on my phone, I need to get pop sockets, because I cannot do without pop socket, you guys. Ever since I found out about pop sockets, like, I have to have them on my phone in order to use my phone any at all. So I gotta get pop sockets for those before I actually put it on my phone. But I just wanted to share those things with you guys, just things that I'm buying, things that I'm liking, things that I'm loving. And of course, as I said, as always, I'm linking things down in the description box for you guys. So go to the description box and you will see everything that I am mentioning in this video and other videos to come. The links will always be down there. You guys, like, there is something that I have been struggling with. Like, am I the only persons who do not pay calendars in their houses any man? Like, look at this calendar, you guys. It is saying November and we are in January, and I even have my January calendar right behind it, and I haven't seen it yet. I swear there's a calendar in the living room too, and I'm going to go there and I'm going to show you how long since I have flipped that calendar. It's like, because we have our smartphones and all of that stuff, I feel like I don't pay the calendars in the house any mind, and I honestly need to stop buying them. Because look at this calendar. It says July and August. So since August, I have not looked at this calendar at all. It's just been sitting there. Does this happen to anybody else, or is it just me? Like, do you even have calendars in your house? Like, are calendars a thing in your house, you guys, or you just use your phone or whatever? Tell me in the comments below, because this is crazy. This is crazy. I have not seen this calendar since August, and it's been there like in my face and all of that. But you know what, it's a struggle, and a lot of us have many things that we are not proud of. So I just changed out the calendar, and Adam is going to make dinner, I believe, for both of us right now. I think he's going to be making like some potatoes and cabbage. And that is another thing too. I need to have a serious conversation with you guys about something, because this is something happening to me and Adam, and I think some of you could be able to help us out. This is like so lean, oh my god. We have been having such a hard time figuring out what to eat here in Japan. Like, we have been eating the same set of food for 3 years, and 4 years for Adam coming up, and 3 years for me coming up. And it's as if nowadays we have no idea what to eat. We're just like, we're so sad when it comes down to food, because we don't know what to eat. And at this point, I think we're just eating to full our bellies. We're not eating because we're enjoying our food or anything. We're just eating because we know we have to eat, and so we just cook anything and eat it. We're not enjoying what we're eating, to be honest. So I don't know, I need some new food ideas, you guys. Not everything that I could have gotten to eat in Jamaica is available in Japan. Bear that in mind. But please help us out in the comments below and give us some new food ideas. Like, we're really struggling in that area, I would say, and we need some help in terms of deciding what to eat. So if you have any food ideas, leave them down in the comments below. So of course, remember to check out these 2 videos on your screen. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Until next time, good night, guys.
So back to what I